Hello and hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to look at this Kwikset Prismo entry doorknob. This one in particular is round and it's in iron black. And it's for an exterior entry. So it's a small box and it has the model number here. It's very nice, organized. Here is the door lock. And it has a very nice matte finish. And this one is round because they also sell other shapes. That little dot that's in here on the side of the key, you can set it to a desired key. Here is the inside of it, lock and unlock. Here are the instructions. And there's also a really nice video on Home Depot where you can see how to install it anyway. So I'm not gonna even try to do a video where there's a very nice one at the Home Depot website. Here is the rest of the hardware. Nice finish too. Here you have some screws. They're the same color. Here you have an Allen key, which is kind of cool. It's a plus. And you have two keys. Oh, and this is so you can reset the doorknob. And here are the instructions on how to reset your knob. Oh look, there's online support. So you need a key. If you have a new key that you wanna put in your knob, you gotta get that new key. All you need is your SmartKey tool, which is this one right here provided to you, and it gives you the detailed instructions on how to rekey the knob. It doesn't seem too difficult, so just follow the instructions. For now, you can see how nice and neat it looks on both ends, the outside and the inside, and all the other stuff that comes with it, and it matches the color. So there you have it. Hopefully it gives you a better idea on what you're getting when you buy this knob. Hope you liked the video and hope you liked the knob. Enjoy.